Hope you find what you're looking for when it all comes running down. Hope you find it painted black on your window, or the lips tell you the love's frown. 'Cause if it dies in the cold, when the clouds start to roll, is it then that your soul starts to bleed? Have you ever seen the president who killed your wounded child? Or the man that crashed your sister's plane, claiming he was sending God? When she died in your arms that night in the dark, did you pray to your God to come home? 'Cause it ain't fair to say that these tracks are the same. So God, if you can hear me, crash this train. So God, if you can hear me, crash this train. Now note to the president and the government and the judges of this place: they're still waiting for you to bring our troops home and clean up that mess you made. 'Cause the smells of blood and money and oil across the Iraqi land. But it seems so easy here to blind us. With your united we stand. It ain't hard to see that this country ain't free. So God, if you can hear me, crash this train. So God, if you can hear me, crash this train. They could, 'cause raising young's in a messed up world, it ain't so understood. So I cover my ears, I cover my eyes, pretend love's the same. With one cold signature, we all become erased. It ain't hard to tell when it's love we sell. So God, if you can hear me, crash this train. So God, if you can hear me, crash this train. I said, God, if you can hear me, crash this train. I said, my God, if you can hear me, crash this train. Oh.